AutoScript AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases of the year, and in this video, we're going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering using AutoScript AI, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, what it does, and whether it's the right tool for your needs. And by the way, you can try AutoScript completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. So, what makes AutoScript AI different from everything else on the market? First of all, it's designed for people who need fast, accurate transcription and scripting tools. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just transcribe. AutoScript uses AI to help you streamline content creation, saving you hours on writing and editing. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or a business owner, this tool offers a way to generate content faster and more efficiently. One of the key features of AutoScript is its real-time transcription. You simply speak, and AutoScript converts your speech into text. It's perfect for creating scripts, transcribing meetings, or even converting podcast episodes into written content. You can also upload existing audio and video files, and AutoScript will turn them into clean, readable transcripts in minutes. But AutoScript doesn't stop at just transcription. It allows you to use its AI to refine and optimize your content. The software suggests edits to improve clarity, sentence structure, and even word choice, making your script more engaging and polished. This is a game changer for marketers and writers who need content quickly but don't want to sacrifice quality. Another standout feature is AutoScript's integration with popular productivity tools. Whether you're using Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or project management tools like Asana or Trello, you can easily sync your transcripts and notes across platforms. This keeps your workflow smooth and prevents any disconnect between your transcription and the tools you're already using. If you're someone who creates video content regularly, AutoScript AI is also a fantastic solution for video scripting. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use AutoScript to generate outlines, build your script around key ideas, and even generate engaging dialogue prompts. The AI helps to guide your writing, which can be incredibly useful for creators trying to keep their videos concise and on point. For businesses and teams, AutoScript's collaboration features are worth mentioning. You can share transcripts, leave comments, and work with your team to refine the content. It's a great tool for marketing teams or content creators who need to produce high volumes of written content in a short amount of time. Now let's talk about pricing. AutoScript offers a free plan, which is perfect for anyone just getting started with transcription or basic scripting. The premium plans offer even more advanced features like longer file uploads, additional AI-assisted writing, and priority customer support. If you're looking for high-end AI-driven content creation, the premium plans are totally worth considering. Finally, AutoScript AI is continually improving. With regular updates, you can expect new features, enhanced AI algorithms, and more integrations, which means you're getting a tool that will only get better over time. So, if you're looking for a powerful AI tool to help with transcription, content creation, or just improving your workflow, AutoScript AI might be exactly what you need. Don't forget, you can try it for free by clicking the link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my recommended software in the description. Go check them out and see which one works best for you. Trust me, AutoScript AI is definitely worth your time.